Hello guys, how are you? I'm fine and I hope that you all are fine. Today I bring for you very special and amazing tutorials of different style of cuttings and I hope that you like my today video. So guys, you know that it is amazing and beautiful butterfly cutting. Now I'm showing you the types of cutting. Make your scissor in arch in this style. Oh my god, it's a layer cut. It is basically short hairs and this, yeah, wow, what a beautiful style of layer cuts you're watching. So, and which country are you from? Tell me in the comment section. I hope that you liked my today video. It's an amazing style of layer cuts with butterfly and pixie. Amazing style of this haircut. Don't skip the video because in this video 8 to 10 tutorials are available. I hope you like it today. Amazing style of this haircut. Now this is coloring blow drying. Amazing technique. It is Korean pixie haircut. This is also amazing style of haircuts with blade. Or you like today video? I hope that you like my today video. This is Chinese and Japanese haircut style through the comb and the scissor. I hope you like it also. Amazing style and all the tutorials are available in my channel. So if you are newly in my channel, so please subscribe my channel. You are watching Fashion Store, and Fashion Store every time bring for you very special and amazing video for you. So what about today video? Tell me in the comment section. I hope you like today video. Oh my god, this is my new look. Or you like today video? Now this is amazing easy butterfly text writing tutorial. This is also very amazing and a very different technique for the hair cutting of butterfly cuts. It is also with band cuts in the front and butterfly cut in the back. Yes, this is also butterfly cut. Amazing style. You can band into the front area in the end. Again you can bend, and in this style you can cut. This is also amazing style cut. Or you like? This is smoothing oil you can apply in your hairs. This is with machine. Basically this is apply on the boy cuts and also for women and girls. This is also a very special idea. This is with bob cut, and this is for men especially. If you like my today video, so please subscribe my channel.